Hi guys, Piotr here. Welcome back to my channel. Quick update why Bitcoin is going higher. There were some rumors and we are going to try to find the explanation, as well as we are going to quickly try to find what might happen next with Bitcoin price. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so Bitcoin went higher, testing almost 30,000, and we are going to check the chart within a few seconds. Why Bitcoin went higher? Well, there were some rumors, and I'm going to use in that case Ash Crypto Twitter account, of course, pointing out it was the rumor. Insiders have confirmed that BlackRock and Invesco Bitcoin ETF will get approved very soon, and that was the thing where I, in my opinion, based on my experience, that was what algo loved to hear and push the price much higher. Then we've seen some kind of the clarification. In that case, I'm going to use Bitcoin Archive Twitter account, and that was the breaking news over here. And well, BlackRock insiders say spot Bitcoin ETF approval expected in 4 to 6 months, and that's Mike Novogratz, right? So that was quite a different thing than what we've seen a second ago when there was some kind of the rumors at the very beginning. And compared to what has happened to the stock market, well, to be honest with you, Bitcoin behaved very well today. But now let's have a look what we have when it comes to the chart. Not to bore you too much, that's the daily chart of the Bitcoin. And the thing is that as long as we are from the medium to long term perspective below this 31.5, the level we already seen been tested quite a few times, each and every rally might finish here. So from the bull's perspective, medium long term, this type of the price action close above this particular top green line, then pullback, retest, and moving higher, that might be the name of the game. We are going to retest 40, maybe 44,000. But as long as we are below this significant level, well, it might be just trap, right? Hopefully is not going to be that one, but let's have a look what we have if we are going to zoom in a bit. So in my opinion, as of now, we are trading, that was the last weakness, right? But overall, and we tested once, we've been rejected, we are testing this second time. But in my opinion, what is going to happen within the next 24-48 hours, we might try to double that particular range, and we might retest this green top line discussed a second ago. And overall, the very important thing is what's going to happen at this top. Is it going to be just the stop count and rejection? Well, that could be the case. So we might see on a daily chart something like this. Market is trying to push higher. We are going to see the short liquidation, then rejection towards the end of the day, leaving upper shadow, all right, and pushing the next day lower. So in that case, if that's going to happen, we have to get back into that particular consolidation, because if we are going to fail at the double here, we might retest another size of that consolidation, this time to the downside. And again, it's related to another green line, something we've seen in the past, how this line behave. In that case, we are talking about the levels close to 27,500. And here, if this bearish scenario is going to be played, well, I think we might see a little bit lower levels. It could play out this way, and we might see some stop count down towards first 26,500, the level from where we started, move to the upside. or even lower, down towards the level below 25,000, down 24 and a half, 26 and a half. That's where we started here, right? And what we've seen in the past. So in that case, from the short side perspective, if we are going to see the failure to the upside, but in case the market is going to try to play out higher, right, then I wouldn't chase the breakout. I would wait to see the positive retest somewhere in between 32 and 29,500, and because of the very tight stop, that could be the very good setup to try to go higher from here. In that case, as I mentioned, 37 might be the first stop, but 40, 44 could be the target medium term. So, well, it's going to be the decision point a little bit higher from here, in my opinion, somewhere around 31,732, the top green line, and how we are going to behave. So watch out very carefully. In case of some changes, of course, I'm going to make another update. With that being said, wish you great next trading session. See you around. Take care and goodbye.